Salute, welcome. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Our topic today is car flipping with a small budget. First you got to decide what your small budget is. You got to nail it right on the head, right to the penny. No guesses. Number 2, guess what? You can find really cheap vehicles as low as $500 within a very low budget. But you got to remember that these vehicles are going to take work, so they might raise up to $1,500. So keep your budget very realistic for repairs and expenses unforeseen. Number 3, sell one vehicle at a time if your budget is small. This way you can make a profit and pump the profit into the next vehicle you sell. 4, keep your budget down by going to wreckers and discount parts stores. Also by finding a mechanic on the side who works out of his house. 5, save on advertising costs by parking at Walmart for the day and putting a big for sale sign in the window. You can also do this at colleges and universities. 6, definitely detail the car yourself. Don't pay anyone to do this for you if you're on a small budget. 7, when you're selling older cars, people will probably want a warranty. So partner up with a warranty company to sell them these warranties and make extra profits. 8, even though it's a cheap car, people still may need financing. This is where you can make a kickback from the bank from referring people to the bank to get a loan. 9, if you want to grow your small budget, you can go to the bank and request a loan. I would highly suggest a credit line. And don't say it's for flipping cars. Say it's for a trip or renovating your house, anything but flipping cars. Click on the links below for my ebooks, my courses, my merchandise at masteroffinance.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and like us on Facebook at Carvelli, Master of Finance. Tell all your friends and family worldwide about these great videos. Thanks so much for tuning in today. God bless. Much love.